Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 125 words of the Quran that occur in Quran 40,000 times from a total of 78,000 words in the Quran. That's mean 50% words of the Quran. Let's see these 125 words, that is 50% of the Quran. First one is Allah. This means Allah. This word occurs 2550 times in the Quran. For example, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, and with different combinations like Wallahi, Fallahu, Lillahi, Walillahi, Falillahi, Abillahi, Allahu, Billahi, Tallahi, wa Tallahi. Second is Ash-Shaitan, Shaitan. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Root is Sheen, Ta, Nun, and it occurs 88 times in the Quran. Lish-Shaytani, different combinations. Wash-Shayatina, Lish-Shayatini, Shayatinihim. Third one is Huwa. Huwa means he, used for single person. Okay, Huwa is noun and it is basically pronoun used in the name or place of a single person, and that is not present. For Gaib, Huwa, and it occurs 481 times in the Quran, like Qul huwallahu ahad. The one is Allah. He say. There, he say. Huwa, he. Wahuwa, fahuwa, lahuwa, with different combinations. Fourth one is whom. This is also a noun and used for plural, they, Gaib, and it occurs 444 times in the Quran. Ulaika suhabul jannah hum fiha khalidun. Whom, they all. Okay, whom means they all, with different combination, wahum, fahum, ahum, afahum, lahum, etc. Fifth one is anta, like anta means you, one person, singular, and this word occurs 81 times in the Quran. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minadh dhalimin. Anta means you. See the different combinations, wa anta, fa anta, a anta, fa anta, la anta. Ana means I. 68 times occurs in the Quran. Wala ana abidum ma abattum. I am. Okay. Wa ana, fa ana. Antum, you all. Okay, you all are present in front of me, like you can say wala antum abiduna ma a'bud. And this word occurs 135 times in the Quran, like we see the different combinations, wa antum, fa antum, a antum, af antum, la antum, ha antum. Nahnu, we all, 86 times in the Quran. Inna nahnu nazzalna dhikra wa inna lahu lahafidhun. And see the combination, wa nahnu, la nahnu, anahnu. Okay, nahnu means we all. Man, who, this means who, 831 times in the Quran. Wa man, and who. Azlamu mimman mana'a masajid Allah. See the combinations, waman, awaman, faman, liman, laman, afaman, kaman, mimman, biman. Hal is do or question word. Okay, particle. Hal, qul hal. Okay, hal yastawi al-a'ma wal-basir afala tatafakkarun. See the combination, wahal, fahal. This means is, do, or. Khair. Okay, kha, ya, ra, the root, and this word occurs 176 times in the Quran. Wa huwa khairul hakimin, the best. Okay, khair means best. Wa khairun wal khairi bil khairi bi khairin lil khair. Like say, ana bi khair, like this khair, best. Ism means name. Okay, 39 times in the Quran. Sin, Mim and Waw is its root. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, ismuhu, al-ismu, bismi, asma. Okay, asma is also have the same root. Sin, Mim, Waw. Ar-Rahman, this is Raha, Mim root, and this occurs 57 times in the Quran. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bir-Rahman, Lir-Rahman, etc. Ar-Rahim, this one is also very easy. Rahamim is the root 116 times in the Quran. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, like Rahimun, Rahiman, Ruhama. Like if we learn Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and this means the most merciful. The Rahman means the most gracious, and the Rahim means the most merciful. Al-Kareem, generous. Al-Kareem means generous. Its root is Kaf, Ra, Mim. 27 times in the Quran. Ya ayyuhal insanu ma gharraka bi rabbikal kareem. The most noble, the most generous. See the combinations like Kareemun, Kareeman, Kareemin, Al-Kareemu. Alhamdu, this is the noun. 149 times in the Quran, and this root is Ha, Mim, Dal, Hamd. Alhamdu, all praise and thanks. Lillahi, be to Allah, Rabbil Alameen, the Lord of the universe. Okay, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This Hamd word is 149 times in the Quran, and this means all praises and thanks. All praises and thanks. Walhamdu bihamdi, bihamdihi, bihamdika, etc. Lillahi, okay, Lillahi. This for Allah, or you can say to Allah, 149 times in the Quran. Alhamdu lillahi, okay, be Allah, to Allah. Walillahi, falillahi. Next one is al-alameen, 73 times, okay, and this is a noun, and its root is ain, lam, mim. Okay, जैसे Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Okay, Lil Alameen or Alim, Alam, sorry, Alam. This is Alam is singular. Okay, or Al Alameen is plural. Okay, the words. Okay, all words, all universes. Muslim, Sin Lam Mim, 42 times in the Quran. Wala tamutunna illa wa antum muslimun. Muslim. Okay, Muslim mean Muslim. Muslimun, Muslimin, Lil Muslimin, Muslima, Muslimat, or Muslimat. Okay. Mu'min, huwa allazi khalaqakum faminkum kafirun wa minkum mu'min. Okay. Mu'min is believer. Hamza, Mim, Noon. 230 times in the Quran. Mushrik, wa ma ana minal mushrikeen. Okay. Mushrik means polytheist. Sheen, Ra, Kaf. 49 times in the Quran. Mushrikun, Mushrikeen, wal Mushrikeen, la Mushrikun, lil Mushrikeen, Mushrika. Okay, al Mushrikat, wal Mushrikat. Kafir, disbeliever. Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun. Okay, disbeliever. Kafir is disbeliever, and this is noun. Kafara is the root 134 times in the Quran. Salih, the virtuous person. Okay. And this root is Sod, Lam, Ha, 136 times in the Quran. Man amila salihan falinafsi. Okay. Yawm, Ya, Waw, Mim is the root 405 times in the Quran. Maliki Yawmiddin, Yawm means day. Yawmi, day. Ad-Din, the judgment. Okay. Maliki Yawmiddin. Root is Dal, Ya, Noon. Iyaka. Iyaka means and you alone. Okay, you alone. Rabbi, root is Ra, Baba, the mean is Lord. 971 times in the Quran. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ma means that which. 54 times in the Quran. Min sharri ma khalaq. Okay, afama, bima, fama, famalika, mala, malima, wabima. Okay, this means ma, what, or that which, etc. As-sirata, the path. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صاد را طاء. المستقيم the straight. قاف واو ميم. الذين of those. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. خير. خير means خير ja ra is the root and this is the noun. خير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Not of. لا not. الضالين those who go astray. The meaning is ضاد لام لام. هي it or she. Kitab a book. Anzalna is the Noon zalam is the root and it's a verb and we revealed. Aya means sign or you can say verse. Al-ard is the noun and the meaning is the earth. The earth. Hamza ra dad. As-sama the heaven. Sin mim wow. Ulu those of. Okay, those of. Law if. Walau sha Allah and if Allah willed. Li means for and this is particle. Lillahi ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. Min from. Okay. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. An means with. This is particle. Radiyallahu anhum wa radu an. Laqad certainly. Al-Quran means Quran. Qaf ra hamza and this word occurs 70 times in the Quran. In if it is particle. Sha will. Okay, 56 times and is the root is sheen ya hamza. Satajiduni insha Allahu minas sabirin. Okay, Allah wills. Inna indeed it is particle. Wasbiru inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. Innama. Okay, only. Innama means only. Deed. Amal means deed. Its root is ain mim lam. Be in. A'udhu billahi. Okay, in. Fi is particle in or into. Allazi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Fi in. As-sabil the way. Okay, the way. Inna hadaynahu as-sabila imma shakiran wa imma kafura. Ala on or upon. Wa ala Allahi falyatawakkalil mu'minun. Allazi the one who. Okay, noun. Allazi allama bil qalam. Ayyun which. Ayyukum ahsanu amala. Ahsan best. Ayyukum ahsanu amala. Okay, best. Ila to. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun. Ilayhi means ila and plus he. Ilayhi to. Ma'a with. In the with. Inna ad-dina indallahi al-Islam. Al-insan. Inna al-insana lafi khusr. Insan means the mankind. Illa except. Illa allazina amanu wa amilu salihat. Amanu they believed. Illa allazina amanu. Al-haq the truth. Ha qaf qaf. Watawasaw bil haqqi watawasaw bis sabr. Aw or waman amila salihan min zakarin aw unsa wa huwa mu'min. Okay, aw means or. Haza this. Haza sirat mustaqim. Hazihi means this. This is an also noun. Haza is for masculine and hazi is for feminine. Illa. وَمَا هَذِهِ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا لَهْوٌ وَلَعِبٌ. ذَلِكَ that. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. تِلْكَ that those. هَؤُلَاءِ these. أُولَئِكَ those. Is when. Iza when. Ja'a he came. Is rooted Jim ya Hamza. An-nas the people. Fa'ala he did. Fa'ain lam is the root. Ja'ala he made, he said. Jim ain lam is the root. Fataha he opened, he revealed. Fataha. Qul qaf waw lam say. Ahad the one. Lam not. Lan never. Lan tanalul birra hatta tunfiqu mimma tuhibbun. Nasr. Nasr is help. Okay. Noon Sad Ra Iza Jaa Nasrullahi wal Fath. khalaqa, he created. Okay, kha lam qaf, qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq min sharri ma khalaq. Zakara, he remembered, zal kaf ra. Abada, he worshipped, ain ba dal. Shay means thing, shin ya and hamza. Inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. Daraba, he hit, he struck. Okay, Dad ra ba. Samia, he listened, sin mim ain. Alima, he knew, ain lam mim. Amila, he did, ain mim lam amila. Hadith, statement, story, ha dal sa. ومن أصدق من الله حديثا. إله, the God, Hamza lam ha. إله الناس. Sadr means chest, Sad dal ra. Malak, okay, Malak means angel. Hamim lam kaf. وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس. Jinnah means jinn. Jim nun min al jinnati wan nas. Ya oh. Okay, قل يا أيها الكافرون for calling. Qawm means people. Qaf wa mim is the root. Ayyuha oh, this is used for calling. Okay, and that. Anna, that. Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Muhammad, ha mim dal. Okay, ashhadu anna Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Rasul, messenger. Rasin, lam. As-salah means prayer. Hayya ala salah. Sharik, partner. Shin ra kaf. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah. Maza, what? Wa amma allazina kafaru fiyaquluna maza, what? Arada Allahu bihaza masala. Subhan, glory. Subhanaka faqina azab an-nar. Sin ba ha. Al-Azim, the great. Ain Udhamim. Wallahu dhul fadli al-azim. Tayyibat, good things. Okay, Tayyaba. Salam, peace. Sin lam mim. An-Nabi, the prophet. Noon ba hamza. Rahma, mercy. Rahamim. Ibad, slaves or servants. Wa adkhilni bi rahmatika fi ibadika as-salihin. Okay, Ain ba dal. Sawfa means soon. Okay, wala sawfa yu'tika rabbuka fatardah. Ibrahim. Summa awhayna ilayka an ittabi' millata Ibrahim Hanifa. Okay, Ibrahim means prophet name. Nafs, soul. Noon fasin. Kasir means much. Wazkurullaha kasiran la'allakum tuflihun. Kasara. Az-zunub, the sins. Inna Allah yaghfiru az-zunuba jami'a. Okay, the sins. Ghafur, often forgiving. Okay, Khain, far is the root. Ad-dunya, the word. Dal, noon, waw is the root. Al-akhirah, the hereafter. Okay, Hamza khara wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina azaban nar. Azab, punishment. Okay, Ain zal ba. An-nar, the fire. Wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina azaban nar. Noon waw ra is the root. Here is the list. Allah, shaitan, huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, man, hal, khair, ism, rahman, rahim, kareem, hamd, lillahi, alamin, muslim, mu'min, mushrik, kafir, salih, yawm, din, iyaka, rabbi, ma, صراط مستقيم الذين خير لا ضالين هي كتاب أنزلنا آية أرض سما أولو لو لي من عن لقد كد قرآن إن شاء إنما أعمال بي في سبيل على الذي أيكم أحسن إلى مع إن إنسان إلا آمنوا حق أو هذه ذلك تلك حولاي أولئك إذا جاء ناس فعل جعل فتح قل أحد لم لن نصر خلق ذكر عبد شيء ضرب سمع علم عمل حديث إلى صدر ملك جن يا قوم أيها أن محمد رسول صلاة شريك ماذا سبحان عظيم طيبة سلام نبي رحمة عبد سوف إبراهيم نفس كثير زم غفور دنيا آخرة عذاب نار. These are 125 important words that occur in the Quran 40,000 times. That means 50% words of the Quran. If you remember these words and their meaning, this means you know 50% translation of the Quran.